This is the voice of Radio Free Neruda.
Greetings, Mr. the Skeptical Heretic. Sir, we're not from this camp you issued the challenge, but we rise to a response anyway over this issue of race. Race is a valid taxonomic term. Why do we say that? Well, we do have some qualification. At the age of 10, we were trained in Linnaean binomial taxonomy by our Czech professor Bueno, and we have ruled it ever since. And we are untainted by any personal agenda in the matter because we are a goddamn misanthrope in the first place. Now then, you ask us to define race. Well, here's a working definition. In biology, races are distinct, genetically divergent populations within the same species with relatively small morphological and genetic differences. Given. Down's syndrome has a triploidal 21st chromosome. Now then, sir, if that doesn't meet the requirements for a subspeciation, I'm a monkey's uncle! Well, actually we are a monkey's uncle, but that's beside the point. We are tired of your anthropocentric exceptionalism, sir! All flesh speciates! Man is no goddamned different! You are just so busy chasing each other's asses over false distinctions, you can't notice the idiot drooling on your carpet! Now, as we stated earlier, we think no more or less of the Mongoloid. We work beside them. They are excellent dishwashers and fry a mean French. But they are subspecies, and they are race. The typical sterility of the male is no impairment to that classification. One has been known to reproduce. And success is no impairment to the fact of speciation. Now then, what is left? What is left is the hard work of producing a white paper in which the creature is given a name. Now we refrain from that because we have neither ink nor paper to our name. But I'm sure there's some ambitious biologist out there, more than enough time on his hands. We would humbly submit that the creature be named Homo sapiens idiotus. Although with the reservation that we find Homo sapiens sapiens misnomer in the first place, we find nothing sapient nor tasteful about the creature man. Heil Neruda.
The proceeding was brought to you by the makers at Golematic. Bright lies for dark truths.